Speak whatever. Yes. Tell me about this. You. Yes.
Washing machine number one good.
Yes.
Good for labor.
Yes. Labor. Labor.
Labor no one person no buy machine.
Yeah. Yeah.
All
Yeah.
labor use 1 gram, 2 gram. Allah good.
Hello. What is your name?
My name is Mansour.
Where are you from? You are Nigerian. Yeah. Nigerian.
Number one.
Good. Na. This is good for labor. Na worker
Yes, all labor
because
this one good.
easy
This one
work.
good.
Easy
This
work.
one Easy work.
Ah.
No problem.
Yes,
no,
yes.
1 gram up.
Yes.
All washing clean.
Yeah. Washing clean. Too much people are tired. So.